Argentinians love their beef, but man, do we love our seafood. I have here shrimps, mussels, clams, calamaris, and I'm gonna make this fast and colorful stew that is a 1, 2, 3, and ready. My seafood stew starts with the bounty of the garden, all sautéed in peppery olive oil. And now for the seafood. Early in the morning, fishing boats will set out from Mar del Plata, or my hometown in Puerto Madryn, to harvest what they can from the ocean. Shrimp, squid, mussels, and clams are perfect for my stew. Look at my colorful veggies, all ready and soft for my seafood. But I am not done with color. I want rich, deep, sweet tomato paste. White wine, dry and a little fruity. It's gonna pick up all the flavors from the bottom of my pan. For a deeper ocean taste, clam juice. Smells wonderful. And now, an exotic and creamy touch. From my neighbors in Brazil, my favorite ingredient, coconut milk. And I love to use it in seafood-flavored dishes. And now, low heat, and I'm gonna let my flavors bubble away. It smells so good in here. All I need is my seafood. A quick stir. I just wanted to have fun there and get covered on those beautiful flavors. Lid on, lots of steam action, and ready in 3 minutes. After a long day of work, nothing better than comfort flavors like this fast and easy seafood stew. The touch of that sweet coconut milk that gives it creaminess, the little tart bite at the end of the tomato, all those veggies nice and mellow down. The mix of different seafood tastes. It doesn't get more comfort than that. Crusty bread, another hint of comfort. And here, a fun tip. You can use the shell of your first mussel as a tool to eat all the rest.